Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren, and if you would like to see a tutorial on how I did this look, just keep watching. I love makeup. I do not wear makeup every day, but this is kind of something similar to what I would do if I am going to wear makeup but not be full glam. So just got dressed, put my hair up in a pony-o, brushed my teeth, going to wash my face with Origin Checks and Balances. I use this moisturizer from Supergoop almost every day. It's their daily moisturizer with SPF 40. I love to use this moisturizer even on days when I'm not wearing makeup because just my moisturizer protects me from the sun, so that's nice. I love Tatcha's Silk Peony Eye Cream. It is awesome. I use it day and night right now, and you're going to want to use your ring fingers because they're the most gentle around your eye area because they're the weakest finger. And a little dance. And for concealer, I have NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I actually have two colors I'm mixing together now. A combination of Chantilly and Vanilla. I usually just do under my eyes. I'm not usually concealing around my whole face to brighten it up. So I'm going to use a wet beauty blender, squeeze out the excess water, and bounce all around. It's like dancing today. So this is my favorite BB cream. Clearly I am out of this one, but I do have another one, and this is Dr. Jart Premium BB or Beauty Balm. It does have SPF 45, and I use the light medium shade, and I will tell you in person, if you just pump this on the back of your hand, it is going to look, in my opinion, kind of gray, but this actually matches my skin perfectly. So sometimes I'll just wear this and nothing else and just out the door. I just love it so much. It is definitely a go-to for me, 100%. So I do not recommend using a radiant concealer to be concealing a breakout. However, I've done it for years and years, so that's what I do, and it's not that obvious. Next, I am going to be setting my BB cream and my concealer with the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Translucent, and this is just a Too Faced powder brush that I had from a set a while back. I'll see if I can find it, but I love the Too Faced brushes. They're so cute. But I have so many brushes. I need to do a declutter on my brushes and my makeup and my skincare and my hair care. For real. Real big declutter. So this is my favorite blush. It is by Too Faced Perfect Flush Blush, and the color is Peach Beach. That's what I'm pointing out there. And I just have a really old Real Techniques brush. It's their stippling brush. I don't know why, but I really like to use this for my blush. Trying to keep it relatively simple because I am not going to be highlighting or contouring today. Just doing a blush on the cheeks and blending it in a little bit. I have my Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and I'm gonna start with Strange. It's the lightest color here on the left. This is another Too Faced brush. It is their all over shadow, but anything that is relatively flat and you can get nice coverage all over the lid from lash line to brow with that lightest color. You guys ready? I have another Too Faced brush. This one is the crease or blender brush, and it is tapered and it's so soft and fluffy. I love it. And I'm pointing to the color Limit, and I'm going to put this all in the crease. And we're just sort of building up color now. It's going to make it easier to blend later. I definitely focus on the crease, but I also bring it down to the outer corner of my eye as well. I want to keep that inner corner as light as possible right now. Blend, 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 blend. Blend some more. Think you're done. Blend more. Just back and forth, trying to make it even, or as even as possible. All right, and we are going to be using the same brush, and we are going to use Nooner in the crease and then the very outer corner. And we're just darkening it up now. But all three of these shades that I have used, Strange, Limit, and Nooner, are all matte shades from the Naked 3 palette. And this is one of my favorite palettes. I love pinks and roses, and oh, I just love this palette so much. Blend, blend, blend. And next we are going to use that same all over shadow brush. Anything that's relatively flat or even flatter will do. I'm gonna spray the brush with Savvy Minerals misting spray, and that's by Young Living. And I'm going to mix the two shimmer or glitter shades, Dust and Buzz. And this is gonna help with fallout, and it also helps make that glitter pop as well. And there's the difference. And I'm just gonna do the other side, and if I was trying to sweep my brush across my lid without the misting spray, then it would look totally different. It would not look like this. It would just fall out all over my face. It would not be fun. And this is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in black, and this one is the micro tip. I actually prefer the original, but I wanted to give this a try. Definitely still prefer the original. It's just easier for me to work with. I definitely had trouble keeping it straight, and yeah, it wasn't too bad, but just not my favorite. I prefer the original line. And I've never recorded myself doing my eyeliner, so that was fun and a little awkward. So you guys get to see that. I'm like looking really close in the mirror and pulling my eye like crazy, so it's hard to watch pulling my eye. And they're as even as they can be. Time for my favorite mascara. This is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It is my ride or die. I absolutely love it. And this tube in particular is, I need to replace it. It's kind of drying out a little bit. I feel like it's very forgiving because even though it is starting to dry out, it still works pretty well. And yeah, I totally just stabbed myself in the eye. And I much prefer this original formula over the waterproof. I am not a fan of the waterproof. It's just very difficult for it to be removed even with their melt, so it's just not worth it for me. I like the original. And here's a close-up of the eyes. I started out super serious and now I'm going like silly. And I have no idea what happened to the lighting here, but my reaction was funny. This is Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. I use the spoolie and just kind of brush through them and brush upwards a little bit. And this is my favorite brow pencil. It is just really easy to use. I definitely have brows, they just don't behave exactly like I would like them to. And this is like a guide on how to make like the 3 points. Start here. That's kind of where your arch should be, and that's kind of where the tail should be. This is Marc Jacobs Enamored High Shine Gloss Lip Lacquer in Cream and Sugar, and it's number 364. There was no way you guys were gonna see that label. But I love it. It's not sticky, it just feels really smooth. taken out the ponyo. There's no crease from that and I love it. It stays in all day. My hair is super soft from using the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil, which I love. There you have it, guys. It's my soft pink glam look. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.